Hello everyone, today I will unbox or unpackage the Walbro performance fuel pump to 255 LPH, and here's the branding and barcode given, and there's some instructions. So it's kind of a cover to wrap up the fuel pump. It's kind of made of foam. It's feel like softy, and it's a rubber made cover to plug on the fuel pump. So here's the fuel pump, which is from TI Automobiles, and here's the number and the country of origin. Here's the jack, and here's the other stuffs to plug in your car: the filter, the hose, the wirings,